Alright guys, welcome back to Hundley TA. We're back here live on Thursday. Figured I'd start doing some live streams so you can get more to the second type data here, and I'll upload these later in the day as well as regular videos, so you can always check those out. Before we get started, I want to talk about Fairdesk. It's a new it's up and coming crypto platform. If you're looking for a good trader, they're pretty solid. I like that they have futures. They got copy trade features, so you can trade some of the highest winning traders out there. There's a lot of them, so yeah, so they have a lot of options. You can do a savings account and earn some crypto back on the crypto you already have. So the thing I really like about them too is they're pretty transparent, they're pretty solid. They have, let's see if I can find it here. Have, you know, open source. They have their GitHub. They have all their licenses and everything. But anyway, yeah, check that out. Link in the description below. I don't want to go too long on that. Anyway, starting off with SPY here. I think they're looking pretty good. It's coming back down, hoping we can get here on the retest. If I was trading SPY, I would have this trade set up here. I think it's pretty solid. If it comes back down for the retest, can bounce. Got a nice uptrend going for it. Looks pretty good. But yeah, I'm not trading SPY right now. So remember, none of this is financial advice, but it's just a good looking trade that I would consider taking. Bitcoin is blasted through all these resistance zones, this downtrend, everything. Just totally annihilated it. It's back up here around 30,000. And then the past has been pretty stiff resistance, and it's, you know, it's having a struggle there now. But you know, we're at the peak since way back in summer last year, so things are looking pretty good there. We'll see. I think it's only a matter of time for this resistance zone to break here, but we'll see. But yeah, let's move on to Forex. You can see I have big old list here to get through real quick. I just have quite a few trades that just haven't gotten an entry yet. GPUSD, just staying away from my entry there. Euro JPY. JPY is on an absolute tear. Now there's so many of these markets out here that are just popping with no end in sight. Like Bitcoin, all these JPY pairings. Like JPY is going nuts. I don't know what's going over in Japan. Hopefully everything's going good over there. I don't know if anyone's checked on Japan lately, but yeah. Anyway, in the meantime, just taking longs after longs if it actually has, you know, enough time to correct and come back down to my entries. But yeah, so far it's not getting slowing down anytime soon. USD CHF hopefully coming back down to the support zone here, and the USD. We've been hoping for it to come back to this resistance zone here. Been having some nice success in the past here, right around that resistance zone. Euro CAD, hoping it'll come back for that test there. CAD JPY, another JPY that's exploding. Got a long ready there. Same with USD JPY. And I do like to not overload on the same pairing so much. So with these JPY pairings, I'm hoping at least one of them enters, and the others I'll probably cancel if that happens, because I don't want to be over leveraged on the same pairing when it's moving in the same direction. GBP CAD, I hope it comes down to the support zone. I got my stop. I didn't do it on this last trade here, but I do have it here just below the swing low, and I think it could work out if it does come down and bounce, and I take profits still beneath this upper resistance zone here. So I think that could work out potentially. Euro GBP here, I pretty bummed I missed out on this entry right here. But I'm still waiting on it. I think it could be a good trade, so I'm hoping it comes back and does another test before it starts dumping too far down. Gold I have as a short. Did break the support zone. Hopefully it comes back for the retest, and I can take a sell order there. And we have a lot of these other ones to get through. USD CAD. I think we covered this one last time. Unfortunately, broke down, but it's making its way down to this bigger support zone here, where I'm hoping to take a long GPCHF. Did enter here, and it's just trying to find enough selling pressure to get out of the zone and start heading down. AUDCHF pretty deep in the drawdown here, but it's still in that zone, so I'm hoping to see it start to reverse here shortly. Euro USD had a nice pump. Now it's sliding again, so kind of sad to see, but we'll keep watching and hoping. GBP NZD seems like it's kind of forming a bit of an uptrend here. It's getting stuck at these highs here, kind of like one of these other ones I thought, or maybe it's later down here, but yeah, hopefully it can bust through that. Euro NZD still bouncing, still got a ways to go. GBP AUD, this was a winner. Had a nice bounce out of here straight on up to this higher resistance zone here. If it was on top of things, would have liked to have taken a short there, but did not. AUD USD barely worked out here. Yeah, otherwise it'd still be technically in the trade. I'm still gonna hold on to it just to see if I would have just extended my stop just a hair more, if it would have worked out. I'm just curious, but AUD JPY is finally finding that bounce out of the support zone. It is another JPY, but AUD seems to not have the pump that the other pairings do, so hopefully that one eventually works out. Euro CHF did stop out, just didn't have the selling pressure, I guess, just wasn't there. The swing low, I don't know what happened there. Sometimes these things just happen though, so we'll just have to take it and move on. Anyway, that's all I got for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and leave a comment of what you guys have been trading lately, and we'll see y'all next time.